Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you coconut with sweet corn and spinach. Let's get started. First add in some oil. I'm using here coconut oil, 4 tablespoons, or you want to use less, it's up to you. I'm just waiting for the oil to warm up. To get this paste, I have pounded 2 green chili, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 pieces of small onion, and a small piece of turmeric ginger. That's how I get this paste. Now I'm going to add this into the oil. I'm adding in salt according to your taste. Less than half teaspoon white pepper. Now adding sweet corn, saute that for a while until like 30% cooked. Now I'm adding in fresh coconut, which I grind and squeezed myself at home. And adding in spinach, salad into it, 100 grams you can add in. Just toast it around and off the fire. Now it's ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.